Hello everyone, what is up? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be all about how to make these fun to make, easy pom-poms. So if you want to see that, continue watching. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I post vlogs and DIYs just like this one. So if you are new here, be sure to click that little subscribe button and turn those notifications on so you are notified every time I upload a new video. So now, without any further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off by taking an old folder and a round object and then trace the round object onto the old folder with a pencil. After that, you're just going to cut this out. After you've done this, you're going to fold the folder both ways, and you want to try to make sure these are as even as possible. When you're done, just take a pencil and mark a little dot in the middle. After that, you're going to fold the circle in half and then make sure that you can still see some of the dot, and then you're going to take another circular item and then try to draw a semicircle and then try to make it even as possible because it's really important that this is even. Now I have cut out and made two, and our loom is now done. Now we're going to take a ball of yarn that is small enough to fit inside a hole, and I would recommend using a thick yarn, as with a thin yarn it's going to take a lot longer to make one pom-pom. Take the tip of your yarn and make sure it's facing the outer end of the circle. Then put your ball through the circle and then wrap the yarn around the circle. If your yarn runs out, you're just going to create another ball of yarn and then tie on the end of the other ball of yarn. And here I wanted to try using a different color and see how it would come out. I have now finished, and I did a pretty thick layer because I want a really soft, fluffy pom-pom, but if you do want a thinner pom-pom, then I would suggest doing a thinner layer. So now you're going to push aside the strands, and then in that little opening, stick your scissors in there, and then cut away. The one last thing we need to do is take an extra strand of yarn and then wrap it around the center of the pom-pom and then just tie it really tight, make a few knots there, just to make sure that nothing in our pom-pom comes loose. Now we can just pull our pom-pom off the loom, and there you go, you're done. one last thing I like to do is just snip off all these strange looking pieces of yarn off my pom-pom just to make it look a little more round. Here's my pom-pom up close, and I love just playing with this because it is so soft and it's almost like a stuffed animal. Alright guys, so this brings us to the end of this video. If you did like it, be sure to click that like button and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye!